To remove the lens, press this lever, twist the lens this way. It's a bayonet mount. I think it's just called an Exakta mount. There's several manufacturers. So this one's from, well, I won't butcher the name, Schneider Kurtakon 35mm f2.8. To mount it back in, align it this way. There you go. With this knob facing the very top, and just twist it like so. To remove the viewfinder, there aren't any buttons or levers to press. You just simply hold the viewfinder here, pull it up. So this is a high level viewfinder, and there are other viewfinders for this one, such as a waist level viewfinder. To put it back, just align it properly, just push it down. To open up the camera back, hold this knob and twist it until it stays put, and the back's now opened. You see the take-up spool. And this is the film cutter that I was talking about, that you don't see in other cameras. So just twist this as far as it can go. Here you see a blade to cut your film with. I think they used this way back before, but I don't see the need for it being used these days. This is where you put your film. And load it here. This is the film pressure plate. To close it, just put it there. Twist it until it goes back down, and you're good.